inviting you on a tour of my garden today. Do enjoy. As you will notice throughout the garden, purple and pink is one of my favorite colors in the garden. Here I have a basket of calibrachoa, or million bells is a more common name. Loves to be watered and fertilized. And here we have the geranium, the pink geranium. Behind it, we have the contrast with the purple angelonia. When I'm purchasing the plant, I find out from the grower the needs of the plant. What can it tolerate? Is it a shade plant? Is it a sun plant? The height of the plant, and that helps me to decide where to put it in the border, because you don't want to have at the front of the border a very tall plant blocking a shorter blooming one at the back. I started somewhere around 1998 when I resigned from my former job, and I needed something to occupy my time leisurely, because I have children, so they do occupy your time, but I needed something to pass the time away when I had some free time, and this is what I decided to do.